Hey guys, it's your girl Tamika from Sephora Universal City Walk, and I'm super excited to show you guys how I created this glitter liner look, so stay tuned. As you can see, my complexion is already on and my brows are done. So first up is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer Potion in Original formula, a staple and one of my favorites because if you're like me with oily lids, no creasing, smooth application, and long wear of my shadow and liner work. All right, so with the product, go ahead and use the doe foot, and then I like to use my finger to smooth out and blend the product. Next up, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. It's a must-have if you don't already have it. So I am using the first color in Burnt Orange from the palette with the Sephora Collection brush number 14. This is a really great color to even and brighten the lids, so the placement is just generally all over, not going past the brow bone. And then just go ahead and duplicate the same thing on the other eye. So the next color we're going to use is Cypress Umber. It is a richer color to define, and we're gonna go ahead and lay it in the outer crease. And to place this product, we are still using the Sephora Collection brush in number 14. And a little tip and trick for my eye shape, I like to draw the defining color in the shape of a parentheses. This really helps make sure that I stay symmetrical and enhance my shape. And then we are going to blend with the Sephora Collection brush number 27. And y'all know I love a blend, but don't over blend because we don't want to lose the saturation in the outer crease that we just laid. All right, so now we're going to start in the other eye, doing the same thing with the same Sephora Collection brush number 14 using Cypress Umber, and we're just going to go ahead and remember to do parentheses shape, and then taking the Sephora Collection brush again number 27 to go ahead and soften the outer edges and do a nice blend. All right, so next up, we are going to use the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, Eye, Lip, and Brow Pencil in shade 612, dark brown, to increase the saturation in the outer crease. In this part, you can go to town as much as you want. I am only doing this step to act as a complement to my upcoming liner look. And once I've applied it, I then take the Sephora Collection 14 once again to blend it inwards into the crease. And then once more, duplicating it on the other side. It's always best to do it right after the other. Really helps with your symmetry. All right, so using the same pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and sketch out my liner. This is a really cool step I like to do because it allows me to know exactly where I'm going, and liquid liner can be hard to get right the first time. So I don't know about you, but I like to get my line just right. And so here you'll see me kind of cleaning and trimming the line with a cotton swab. These are my makeup besties. So same thing on the other side, just tracing out the line so that it'll be a lot easier once I lay my liquid. And a little quick tip, once done, take a moment to step back and check for symmetry before you begin with liquid line. All right, so now we're gonna dive right into the Lancôme Grandiose Bendable Liquid Eyeliner. This product is one of my fave OG gems because it has a bendable cap. So if you are new at this, you can kind of form the tip for easier application. And so now we're just gonna dive right in and fearlessly trace over what you just sketched. For me, I'm left-handed, so it sometimes is more helpful to start inward, cutting the crease, and then going back out with the line. As you can see here, I'm going inward. Once again, don't be afraid to perfect the areas you want with the cotton swab. And again, on the other eye, remembering to breathe and take your time. And once again, taking a step back, checking for symmetry. She halfway cute. Next up is the Pretty Vulgar VIXEN Glimmer Eyeliner and Eyeshadow Topper in Dare to Glare. Now, everything about this name speaks to me. It is the fun of this look, so let's get started. We're just gonna lay the liquid glitter liner right on top of the black, and not too worried about making a mistake because we are going to go over it a second time to fill in any gaps. And don't forget, we can always use our friend cotton swab to pick up any glitter where it shouldn't be. And then we are going to go ahead and make the same line on the other side, directly on top of the black liquid line. And really at this part, you can decide what you're more comfortable with, if you want to extend the glitter on the wing first and then go inside. I find it really easy to line it over my lids first and then extend it out towards the end. With this step, I like to run the liquid glitter liner twice through for maximum glimmer and shine, and really make sure there are no gaps or holes because we want all the glitter all the time. All right, so next up, we're gonna use the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner in shade I-90. This is a super fun, bold color that is going to complement the undertones in the glitter, a deep purple. We're gonna just go ahead and smoke out the bottom from the outside in and then the inside as well. And here you'll notice that I'm leaving a little gap in the center of the eye open for a little extra fun coming up soon. All right, so now I'm going to go back in with Cypress Umber and smoke out this purple color with the Sephora Collection brush in number 14. Still avoiding the open center area for a little extra fun. Now we are going to add that fun with the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner in shade M92. This is a delicious color, lavender, and I am placing this color directly underneath the pupils of the eye. So the placement of the lavender color really allows for my almond eyes to be a bit more open. So I am just using the Sephora Collection brush in number 14. There's no added shadow used, so feel free to use whatever's left on the brush. So now we're going to get into the Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in shade Black. This is, if you've got lashes like mine's, non-existent, you need this. It's the Holy Grail mascara. It lifts, lengthens, and volumizes in one step. And we're going to go ahead and do that on the other side. And because I'm going to add lashes in the end, I'm only going to do really a nice sweep of mascara, not too much. And then I'm going to drag the center of the brush through the center of my bottom lashes, creating a nice butterfly effect. So now we are going to apply the Velour Lashes Effortless No Trim Natural Lash Collection in the style For Real Though. And to apply, I'm going to go ahead and use the Velour Lashes Lash Adhesive. Once you've applied the glue, I'm going to go ahead and let it dry for a few seconds. So once I've laid the lash glue and the glue is nice and tacky, and I've allowed it to get a little tacky because I want the lash to stick really well the first time I apply. And then same thing on the other side, lifting in either direction you feel comfortable. And if you see here, I actually like to use tweezers for a little more precision and placement and really helping me shift the lashes just in the right position. So I am now using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir once again to marry the lashes, my natural lash, with the false lash. And it's also great because it will help hide the lash band. So I really love these lashes because they look really natural and it has everybody guessing like, are they for real though? And for a little extra pop, after all the blending, we're going to go back in with the lavender color to intensify the saturation, a nice finishing touch. All right, so now for the lip. Since I am going in with the matte, my lips are already prepped with a hydrating lip balm. And we are going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Long Wear Matte Lipstick in Who's Zooming Who. When it comes to the lip, I like a more fuller, poutier lip, so I like to round out the lips on the outer edges, which will in turn create more balance in the lip and more fullness. So in this step, I am going to leave the center of the lip open for another color. So once I'm done applying, go ahead, press the lips together for a nice even lay, and then move on. And now we are going to move into the last lipstick, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in One of the Boys. This color I chose to not only add dimension to the lip, but also bring together the entire look. Lavender pop on the eye, a lavender pop on the lip. Then taking the Who's Zooming Who, once again on the outer edges only, on both sides. to potentially diffuse any harsh lines and for a smoother ombre blend. So to finish off the look, we are going to set with Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And before application, don't forget to shake up the product so that you get a nice even disbursement of glitter and no big chunks on the face. And she glitter ready. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to see more from me, follow me at Tamika.Reeves. See you later.